Hello everyone, welcome to another exciting video on Calipers Designs. This is the first video in my new studio that you might have noticed if you are following me for a while now. Today I am going to do a ring pour, but before that I would like to show you some of my previous ring pour paintings that I could not record unfortunately. I love these beautiful colors and patterns that kind of represent different seasons like winter, spring, and fall. But the greenish summer was missing out, so I decided to complete my fourth season. All of these paintings are available to purchase. You can email me about any inquiries, and the email address is written in the description. So let's get started. The first color I am using is viridian. Next is chrome green light. The next color is Indian yellow. Now adding phthalo blue. And finally cerulean blue. Now I'm repeating all the colors all over again. All of the colors are mixed with Olga Sobi's pouring mix recipe. I will link her profile in the description and check out her profile and her amazing pouring recipe. I think it is sufficient paint for the pour, so let's pour. As you can see, I have created a kind of barrier with tape to prevent excess of paint from dripping before it fully covers the canvas. At this point, I think I should have poured more paint, because when we try to spread the paint, it might lose some of the beautiful designs on the edge. So I am roughly adding some of the leftover paints to help the paint move smoothly without losing the patterns. I really like the design. It really is representing summer with the lush green color in the center. That has some light and dark shades that makes it even more interesting, and the best part is the center appears to be more bright and prominent while the edges are a bit darker, giving more depth and fascinating effect to the overall look of the painting. And I have filmed this video in the golden hour in the evening, and you can see light moving from the beginning to the end of the video. That made it even more magical. Tell me, did you felt that too? And also, this painting looks more like summer to you or what? Let me know in the comments and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Till next week, bye bye.